Here, step by step, I'll show you how to fix dynamic wallpaper not working on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app and tap on battery. And first of all, you have to turn off low power mode. And then you have to tap on accessibility. And here tap on motion. And you have to disable reduce motion option. And now let's create a new wallpaper. And here we have to here we have to scroll down and you have to go to iOS 18 section. Here tap on the first wallpaper, and now here we can see this wallpaper color is automatically changing because of this is a dynamic wallpaper. So if you selected a different wallpaper, then the dynamic option will not work for the wallpaper. So you have to swipe to the left until you see the dynamic option. So here you can see this theme dynamic supports. Now all you have to need, once you selected dynamic, tap on add, tap on set as wallpaper, and that's it. I've successfully added dynamic wallpaper. Thanks for watching.